Oh, another slime key. I need a lot of slime keys. I saw one of those giant, enormous ones. What is that called? The enormous slimes that you feed a lot of the money, a lot of the food, like 30 of them. I think I can do that. The tabby slime. Let me see what it eats. Why am I? I just went in a circle. I need to check what the tabby slime eats, and based on that, I have to feed the big thing. Rock slime. Okay, big slime. You can go live back where you were in peace. This is some actual, like, really amazing value. Whoa! 70! Jeez! That's like, if I get 10 of them, I'm good. Oh my god. Whoa! Boom Slime 65, 57, oh my. I'm guessing this is the puddle one. I don't know what that is. It's a green. It's a Hulk. It's a Hulk Lord. Hulk. Okay, 9. Do I have any more? Are you growing? Have you grown? No. None of you grown. It's all dry desert stuff here. Okay. That's pretty good. That's good. I'm gonna take all this. This, I guess. Should I? Yeah, I'll feed them. I'll just, you know what, you go ahead and eat them. And let me take the rock lords as well. I haven't spent a lot of money on myself actually. I'm gonna spend it on these slimes to make it comfortable with them. See, I'm nice that way. I take these slimes out of the wild and make them do my bidding, and I'm saying I don't spend enough money on myself. Great. Tank upgrade 500. Power core upgrade. Jetpack might be good. Power core. Need to sprint for longer. Okay, next. Okay, I can collect these also. You guys seem pretty happy. Why are you so I feel like these prices will go back up. These two, the pink slime ones. I'm gonna sleep and see if these prices go back up. Okay, so they're staying stationary. No, it went down. You know what? Whatever. Fine. Let me sell these. I don't wanna waste these. Oh, tasty value. Okay, so I'll just put this back in here. You guys seem pretty angry. That's good. That's not good. I wanna make you happy. I wanna satisfy you guys. Okay. That's good. Oh, that's good also. That's really good. Oh, auto feeders here. Okay. Put this in here. And then let me put this here. There we go. See, it's working. It's all working well. I think, yeah, I can get a jetpack also. Jetpack, yeah. Oh. Ooh. Oh, it uses my power core. Crap. Great. I increased my power output and I also used up I'm using up my power. Oh, thank God I sold these. These went down really far in value. I think I have a theory. I think if I sell more of these plots on a certain day, then they decrease in the value in the next day. Because I sold a lot of these, and I think they really decreased in value because of that. So, Maybe, okay, I'll try only selling the pink plots today and seeing if these increase in value. You guys seem really upset. Okay, let me get these. I don't think you guys eat pogo fruit, seems like. Pogo fruit, do you guys eat pogo fruit? Let me check. Pink slime. Oh, and I unlocked a lot of these. Okay. Blue slime. Veggies, that's why. So I can't give these guys pogo fruit. If I need to, I can give them to shit. Oh god. I can give them to these guys, the phosphor pink slimes. Autofeeder, why aren't you doing your job? Give them food. They're hungry and they're hurting me. I'm gonna feed the natives. Let me you guys heat up. Oh yeah, I need to check what the tabby slime eats. Tabby slime. Tabby slime. Slime, it's tabby. That's weird. Tabby slime. Meat. Stony hen is the best. They're rancher risks. Let me see this. A tabby slime generally doesn't mean any harm to the rancher, but like their spiritual earth cat cousins. Yeah, I thought so. That's why I call them cat slimes. Often causes a great deal of chaos anyway. Tabby slimes love to steal things they don't eat. Oh, that's what they were doing. That's so cute though. That is so cute. They were stealing the mango and like the cube berries. It was so cute, like fruits and vegetables, resulting in lots of unintended largo transformations on the range. Oh, that's so cute. That is so cute. They're so mischievous. I love them. I love tabby slimes. These are probably my favorite right now. Anyway, yeah, you fed them. Finally. Oh, some more fruit. Let me take that. And, oh shit. Fruit. And I'm gonna feed the natives. There we go, that works. I can jump really far, honestly. Okay, this is not changed. Got a lot. I'm gonna sell, I was gonna sell a lot of pink plots, right? So let me just sell all of these. As many as I can. I'm gonna sell them until its price goes to one crore. I'll spend today just literally collecting pink plots and selling only them. Sell only pink plots. Okay, I already have 30. This way I could also get a lot of money, honestly, so that's pretty good. I can jetpack up here, right? Yep, okay, great. I wonder what the jetpack is reading so far. Okay, I have 359. Some more pink plots, yes, a lot more. Yes, give me all of it. Okay, you pink slimes can stay here, and you carrots can stay here. Still have a rooster with me. I should check here how I can breed chickens, probably. I'm sure there's a way, because why else there be a rooster? Pink plots. I can keep the other plots and just use them later. Sell a whole load of these. I want to make sure this price goes down to like one gold. I want to see that price go down to 1 gold. I really hope this works. Yes, this would be really useful. Then I'll get these two next. 350. Yep, I think I can do that in one day. Let me only take out the pink ones from here. Okay. 20. So how much can I hold now? Seems like 40, because it's only halfway with 20. Sell. I've sold about 80 so far. Just collect pink plots. Man, these guys eat a lot. I mean, they only eat 2 carrots like in a day. I guess for their size, it's pretty good. So, can't complain too much. It sounds violent when I hear the chickens just get eaten. They just bakak. Bakak. I can't make that sound. I'm just gonna embarrass myself. Bakak.